Hari Om. Good morning, everyone. Let's begin our program by invoking the blessing of Lord Almighty. We have on stage the students of UKGB. They are here to invoke the blessings of Lord Ganesha. Ganesha is revered as a remover of obstacles, the god of wisdom, and the lord of new beginnings.
Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesha, Hari Om. Next we have the students of UKG D on stage. They are ready to invoke Lord Shiva by chanting the Lingashtakam.
have with us on stage the students of UKG A to chant the Nama Ramayanam. It is believed that chanting Nama Ramayanam would give the same result as reading the entire Ramayana.
Kalatmaga Parame सिकंदर की जय।
Apart from the blessings of all our lords, we need the blessings of our gurus. We have with us the students of UKGC to chant the Guru Stotram. Thank you, children, for your wonderful rendition. Now our little stars from LKG will delight you with a prayer dance performed to the timeless classic sung by the legendary late Sri Jayachandran.
Shri Purnatrayeshani Shri Purnatrayeshani Untiruvadiye Sharanam Sharanam Shri Purnatrayeshani Untiruvadiye Sharanam Sharanam Shri Purnatrayeshani Untiruvadiye Sharanam Sharanam Shri Purnatrayeshani Sampurna Soma Mukha Kamalam Sampurna Soma Mukha Kamalam Sampurna Soma Mukha Kamalam Tirupuni Turayalum Dayalan Shri Purnatrayeshani Untiruvadiye Sharanam Sharanam Shri Purnatrayeshani
Our little kids are thrilled to entertain the seniors with a lively, friendly dance, spreading joy and excitement.
नगमा सुनाने सारी दुनिया को एक सुर में सजाने सबके दिलों से नफरत को मिटाने आओ यारो मेरे संग संग बोलो प्यार का ये नगमा सुनाने सारी दुनिया को एक सुर में सजाने सबके दिलों से नफरत को मिटाने आओ यारो संग बोलो इंजन पोषण माने गिंदे में डायलो सबके दिलों से
Thank you, children. That was an exotic program by our little ones. We are about to begin our formal function. May I request our dignitaries of the day, Rotarian Algiers Khalil, founder, Puvat International, Kochi, Dr. Mrs. Leela Ramamurthy, President, Vidyalaya Board of Management and Trustee, CME-CTGC, Sri Vijay Kumar Sir, Trustee, CME-CTGC and President, Board of Management, Vadadala, Principal, Mrs. Priya C. Pillai, and Vice Principal, Mrs. Sujitra C. to be seated on the stage. Character is formed from the repeated choice of thoughts and actions. Make the right choice. You shall have firm and noble character. This day marks significant milestone in the journey of our young learners as they transit from their initial steps in education to the next level of their academic phase. This is a celebration of their growth, resilience and eagerness to learn, which undoubtedly served as a solid foundation for their future endeavors. Dear parents, your presence here today is a testament to the support and encouragement you have provided to these budding scholars. It is with great pleasure and excitement that we welcome you all to this convocation ceremony of our little stars. Thank you for being a part of this special day. Let me call upon Vedika Ullas of LKG-C to deliver the welcome speech.
Hello. Good morning to all. Respected dignitaries, principal, vice principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. I am very much excited to stand before you to welcome you all. Today, it marks as the special day for our UKG Chetans and Chechis, as I are climbing one step higher in the field of education. Best wishes to all for your journey. I take this opportunity to welcome you all to our school's milestone event. Swagatham. Thank you.
Fortified with a wealth of experience, unwavering commitment, and boundless passion for education, Dr. Mrs. Leela Ramamurthy has always been in the forefront of all our activities. She is a person who has witnessed the birth of this Vidyalaya in 1970s. Her father, retired district magistrate T. Shivarama Menon, was instrumental to start the Chinmaya Mission Tripunithura and this Vidyalaya. Dr. Mrs. Leela Ramamurthy has started her association with Chinmaya Mission as Chinmaya Yuva Kendra member. She was the CHIC coordinator during the Gurudev's third international yagna at Cochin. She was served the mission as secretary and later as president. She has joined this Vidyalaya as teaching faculty in 1978. And after serving in Chennai as principal for a decade, she has resumed her academic journey with this Vidyalaya again as senior principal from 2014 to 2017. I welcome Leela ma'am for the presidential address.
Respected Chief Guest of the Day, Mr. Algiers Khalid, esteemed Senior Trustee of CMACT GC, that is Chinmaya Mission Educational and Cultural Trust, Greater Kochi. So CMACT GC. As parents, we always mention CMACT GC only, so hereafter you should know the expansion. Senior Trustee Vijay Kumarji. So together we look after the Chinmaya movement in Kochi. We have 5 schools: Kottayam School, Alapi School, Matancheri, Vadidala, Tripunithura also will come under Kochi region. And we have 1 college which is in Lime Road, Tripunithura, shifted from Ernakulam. That is under MG University. So there also both of us look after as President and Secretary. And we have got long association with Chinmaya Mission. So we have the Principal Priyasi Pillai and Vice Principal Sujitra, our coordinators, teachers, and young parents who are very new to Chinmaya Mission and Chinmaya Vidyalayas, how it is functioning. And our young graduates who are going to proceed in the long journey till their 12th standard, that is 15 plus, 16 plus till the age comes. And the teachers who have been nurturing in Chinmaya fold. So when we talk about what is that your tiny tots are getting now and going to get with Chinmaya and by Chinmaya from Chinmaya. We should be in abundance so that you give. For that, our exercise should start first, because even teachers have been given extra input to inculcate this Indian culture and heritage in Chinmaya, all India level, into the academic. 5 minutes, they are not teaching Vedantas. 5 minutes of deviation, high order hypotenuse, high order elevation, high order Archimedes principle, they bring something. Ancient stories are there. Ancient, our Indian folklore, people have done all this Archimedes principle. When the king is asked to find out how much gold has to be weighed, there are ways to, the stories they know. So you have to cultivate your knowledge and improve your knowledge, which will come through you to the children. So with that, wish you once again, and at this point of time, I congratulate the teachers who have been training this tiny tot. We find very difficult to keep 1 person or 2 children in the house. They are looking after this many children, not only looking after putting something into their head timely. So high appreciation to them, this point of view. I'll just mention it. So they deserve our all the appreciation for the in-charge Nina teacher and the gang of the teachers behind. And the next gang is waiting to receive them for the next phase. Good luck.
We never miss the opportunity to hear your thoughts and encourage us in our future events. Thank you, Leela ma'am. Now we have our KG in charge, Mrs. Nina R, to give us the annual academic report of the KG section.
Hari Om. Good morning to one and all. It is with great pleasure that I present the KG annual report to showcase our progress in terms of the various activities and achievements made during the academic year 24-25. To develop the talents of children, they should get opportunities to perform. With the active support of parents and teachers, many children were able to bring laurels to our school. Let's have a look at a few of the winners. The Proficiency Prize. It's a prize given to the children who excel not only in academics, but also in co-curricular activities. This year, the prize goes to 2 of the UKG students. The prize winners are Ameya Sharath of UKG A and Dhyan Mahesh of UKG B. We are proud to announce the winners of the Gita competition held at school. The first prize goes to Ameya Sharath of UKG A. The second prize is Bhagat Shivakumar of UKG A, and third prize winner is Sharandeep A. Nair of UKG B. our KG kids bagged the overall championship trophy in Esperanza inter-school competitions held by Chinmaya Vidyalaya West Kochi. A big round of applause for Rudraksh Varun of UKGA, who have bagged many prizes for the coloring competitions held at various schools and organizations. Vedika Ullas of LKGC is the champion in state level Brain O Brain 2024 Abacus competition held at SH College, Thevara. Nainiga Sujit of UKGB bagged second prize in the fancy dress competition held in connection with the Sri Krishna Jayanti celebrations. Anvika Sujit of UKGC bagged first prize for coloring in Balagogulam competitions. Rhyme O Rhyme, a competition held by Heritage Foundation of Art and Culture. In this competition, Nitara H. Menon and Avantika A. Nair of LKGC bagged 5th positions in the rhymes competitions. 9th edition of Tiger My Friend in the competitions conducted by the Heritage Foundation of Art and Culture. Kaniha Ranjit of LKGB scored 3rd position and Anamika Srinath of LKGC scored 5th position. Vaibhav Subhash and V.S. Nivedita of UKGA bagged second prizes in the karate competition held by Sports Karate Association Ernakulam. In the All Kerala painting competition held by Mahatma Library, Madhav K. Menon bagged the second prize. In the SMA Abacus National Contest Kids Basic Level, first prize in oral contest and third prize in written test goes to Yuan of UKGC. Anvid Albin of UKGA bagged first and second prizes in the Abacus competition. Sanskriti Abhilash of LKGB bagged third prize in the LKG competition held at Sanskara School. Hearty congrats to all the winners. Education as well as training of teachers is as important as the teaching and learning of students. In any field, staying updated is the key to success. Our teachers constantly strive to stay updated by attending workshops and various online and offline training programs. Rajida and Deepa attended the workshop for pre-primary teachers. Rajida and Anjali attended the Bal Sevika camp at Kolwan, Pune. Ambika Raghavanoni attended the capacity building program held at Vidyodaya School, Thevakel. Preeti K attended the play-based learning teaching workshop Jatui Pitara held at Adarsh Bhavan School, Kakanad. I take this opportunity to thank the school management, the principal, the vice principal, all academic coordinators, all parents and well-wishers for the cooperation and support extended to us throughout this year. I end this report by invoking the blessings of Puja Gurudev and Lord Almighty. Let's call the UKG performers onto the stage.
Hey buddy, look at the decorations. See the English word. KINDERGARDEN. Kindergarten. Madhav, it's not an English word. It's the German word. Kinder means children. Garten means garden. So it is garden of children. Is it so? We all are in kindergarten. Does that mean we are the children of this garden? Yes, we are the blooming buds. We grow to become big flowers. Hey friends, are you talking about flowers? I love flowers and my favorite flower is rose. We are seeing different colors of rose. Which color do you like? I love the red rose. Red rose, the flower of the month June, is given as a token of love. Yes, we have to love nature. See the beautiful flowers and fruits. To remind us, we celebrate the Environment Day. We always have our body and mind. We do breathing and yoga exercises in the assembly. We always love stories. To the reading week, we celebrated by the narration and in action by our teachers in the assembly. Look, here comes the white flower. They are the water lilies. They are the flower of the month July. Yes, we are the water lily. we symbolize the new spirit and new wish. That's because the flower close at night and open up fresh in the morning. Water lily, the symbol of delight and happiness. The water lily is called the jewels of water garden. Buddhist monks consider it as divine. Yes, we are reminded of the divine gurus. We celebrate the birthday of the Guru of all Guru, Veda Vyasa on Vyasa Purnima. We love to hear the story of Lord Rama. The story narrated by teachers and enacted by students like Sindar Samdi. We love to hear the story of Rama and Sita. We love to hear the success of Rama over Ravana. Yes, that's the success of good over evil. Do you know the flower for success? We know the flowers for success. It's the poppies, the red poppies. They stand for success and good fortune. We are the flower of August. The flowers of poppies are also used paint clears for mild aches and pains. Friends, have you heard of the Poppy Day? This is to honor the armed force member who have died in the line of duty. Armed forces, they are the country's army, navy and air force. Our Independence Day is on August 15th. We are reminded of our freedom fighters. We sleep peacefully in our homes because of the soldiers on the borders. Friends, do you know our Gurudev was a freedom fighter? Is it so? What did he do? Did he fight? No, he didn't fight with a weapon. He fought with words. He was a journalist in the National Herald. He wanted to flow like river Ganga. Bhagavad Gita, our teacher has that book. I saw the picture of the two men sitting on the chariot. Dakshit, that's a picture of Krishna and Arjuna. Oh, Krishna, I came to school as Krishna on Sri Krishna Jayanti. It was a colorful festival. When you speak of colors, September is the most colorful month. It's the month of festivals. Onam, the festival of flowers. We can see all types of flowers during the spring season. Asters are the flowers of September. They are of different colors. Flowers are the smiles of nature. We all celebrated Onam, the landscape. We wore new dresses, did pukana, ate operi and sadhya, and enjoyed a lot with our friends. We the marigolds are center of attraction during Onam. We belong to the Aster family. Marigolds are flowers of October. In Malayalam, we call it Jamanthi. It is also called the heart of the sun. The marigold is usually seen in two colors, orange and yellow. Yes, these flowers are used for decorations. Our mothers visited our schools for Madra Puja, and we students perform our best in front of the Kolu. We make colorful diyas for Deepavali, festival of lights. Friends, we should never forget We can celebrate these festivals just because of our heroes like Babuji, Mahatma Gandhi. We try to follow steps by cleaning our houses and surroundings to create a Swachh Bharat.
Advait, I know to draw Babuji's face with number 2. When we talk about Babuji, we should never forget our first Prime Minister, our Chachaji.
We celebrate his birthday as Children's Day. We had a wonderful time on this day and for sports.
Do you know favorite flower of Chachaji?
It's rose. Have you heard about the thornless roses?
What? Thornless roses?
Peonies are called the thornless roses. Peonies are the flower of November. It grows in cold places.
The cold season, the winter season. December is the month of the winter season. The flowers of December, the holy flowers. They are used for decoration.
Yes! Holy flower has dark leaves and red berry. And this reminds us of Christmas.
Yes, Christmas is the best season of holidays. It's a cold season. And we celebrate Christmas in red and white dress.
We are really excited for waiting for the new year 2025.
Hi all, Happy New Year. We are like carnation flowers. We are the flowers of God. We bloom to blossom the new cold months of the year 2025. We are the orange carnation flowers.
Orange color reminds of the Orange Day celebration. It was on Swami Vivekananda's birthday, the National Youth Day. We did many activities with orange color. Our Republic Day was on January 26. Our first color of flag is saffron or orange. We learned to draw our flag with 3 rectangles and 1 circle.
Yes, we learned many shapes. As Vidya has soul shape. We celebrate a shape day.
It's now time to wind up. I am the flower of February, the violets. The meaning of violet is creative, shining, beautiful flower. We exhibited all our creative art and craft under the banner Shishu Vaibhav. Our parents came to school to enjoy this exhibition. It was the hard work of all our friends and teachers.
My heart with pleasure fills and dances with the daffodils. It's a famous poem of Wordsworth. Yes, they are the flower of March. Daffodils announces for a new beginning. We all are ready for a new beginning. Look at us all standing here. We are the kindergartens this year. We are smart and soon will be off to first grade happily. We have learned the letters and numbers. And now we need the blessings of all elders. Thank you. Hari Om.
Dear parents, the compilation of all the KG activities with its cherishing memories are being released. With great pleasure, I request Leela ma'am to release this album. This will be given to all UKG students. Dear parents, please treasure the memories album safely so we can cherish the joy and laughter of our children's early days for years to come. Thank you, Hari Om.
Thank you, Neena Miss. Thank you, children, for your marvelous detailed report presentation.
Now, let me invite our principal, Mrs. Priya C. Pillai, to introduce our chief guest.
Hari Om, a happy morning to all of you. It's my privilege and pleasure to introduce our esteemed chief guest of the day, Rotarian Algiers Khalid, a visionary leader of remarkable strength and caliber. A graduate electrical engineer and a postgraduate in business administration with a gold medal, Rotarian Khalid started his career selling switchgear standard products of Larsen & Toubro, later joined Crompton Greaves Limited in their international operations, and was responsible for different markets of South Asia, Middle East, and Europe. He has widely traveled to nearly 56 countries and 5 continents. Entrepreneurial journey started in 1998 as founder and owner of Puvat International, and later he joined the family business interest in shipping and stevedoring. Sir is very active in social and cultural activities in Kerala. Leela ma'am has also been associated with Mr. Khalid through the Rotary work. Sir is a Vice President and Program Committee Chair and third-term Managing Committee member of Kerala Fine Arts Society and twice Rotary District General Secretary for 4 revenue districts in Kerala and 1 in Tamil Nadu. Sir was a past Governing Council member of Can Care Foundation and past Managing Committee member of Indo-American Chamber of Commerce and Industry, life member of Indo-Japan Chamber of Commerce and Industry, besides being a life member of Kerala Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Sir's presence here is a testament to his commitment to excellence and dedication to make a positive impact. It's a pleasure to welcome you to our midst. Hari Om.
Thank you, ma'am, for your wonderful introduction. Today, we are blessed with the presence of Rotarian Algiers Khalid as our chief guest. May I request our chief guest to address the gathering. So, please.
Respected President Dr. Leela Ramamurthy, President of Chinmaya Mission, esteemed Principal Dr. Priya Pillai, Vice Principal and President and Senior Trustee Vijay Kumar Sir, dear parents and our bright young graduates. Good morning and namaste to everyone. What a beautiful way, blessed way to start a graduation ceremony from the kindergarten's children. You started with the prayer to Lord Ganesha, followed by Lord Shiva, followed by Lord Sri Rama, and then prayer to all the gurus. And that was a fantastic way of starting a new beginning outside of kindergarten school. And then it was followed by a send-off by the junior LKG students to the senior kindergarten students. What a tribute that would be, actually. And thereafter, we saw a fantastic welcome speech by the little star of today. I was really amazed by her gesture and the way she presented a welcome speech. And then we had the children of the garden, as they proclaimed, the garden students. They did a fantastic performance of depicting each month what they have learned. I think they need a loud applause. It is my privilege to be here today celebrating this joyous occasion, the first big milestone in the academic journey of these young achievers. I'm especially delighted to be part of this event, given my long and cherished association with Dr. Leela Ramamurthy. Her unwavering commitment to education and values has always been inspiring, and I sincerely thank her for his gracious invitation. I'm equally thankful to Mr. Vijay Kumar sir. He has helped me out once with the Chinmaya Vadudala when we had some musician coming from Brazil to perform at Fine Arts Hall, where Chinmaya Vadudala performed there in association with a Brazilian celloist. Thank you, sir. I'm really grateful to you. My appreciation also to Principal Priya, Madam Dr. Priya Pillai, for the warm and gracious introduction. Thank you very much. It is truly heartening to see the enthusiasm of young parents and the excitement of our little graduates who are taking their first confident step towards future filled with promise and endless possibilities. Today, we gather to celebrate that very special milestone, the first step in your child's educational journey from kindergarten. This day is not only about marking an academic achievement, it's about celebrating the incredible beginning of a lifelong journey of discovery, growth, and wonder. Congratulations to all of you that involved, the parents, the teachers, the school administration, and of course the graduates. Each of you should be proud of the well-begun milestone. As we gather here today, I invite each one of you, our young, vibrant millennial parents, to take a few moments and reflect on how far your child has come and how far you have come as parents. As parents, you have played a crucial role in the process. Your love, guidance, and dedication has set the stage for your child to thrive. Today, I want to not only honor the achievements of these young graduates, but also the countless hours you have spent nurturing their growth, cherishing the moments, because it marks the beginning of endless opportunities. Celebrate today, and today forward, look forward to the brighter future that awaits each one of these little stars. Equally important are the efforts of excellent teachers at Chinmaya. They are known for their academic excellence, the perseverance, and determination to mold the young minds during the early life. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to all three, as they say in Hindi, the Mata, the Pita, and the Gurus, for your unwavering dedication to this achievement. Congratulations and thank you to all of you. Every lesson learned and every step taken towards growth. Let today be a reminder that journey of education and self-discovery begins with the first step, and that each day is an opportunity to build a brighter, more compassionate future. In closing, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to all the little graduates and equally to the loving parents and dedicated teachers who have made this moment possible. Your love, sacrifice, and dedication will pave the way for your child to soar. May they grow to be kind, compassionate, and good human beings who make the world a better place. Thank you and congratulations once again on this joyous occasion. Let us celebrate today and look forward to the endless possibilities that lie ahead for your children and all of us. Thank you.
Your thoughts have enlightened our mind. Thank you, sir. Now, let me invite Sri K.S. Vijay Kumar, sir, Trustee, CMECT GC, and President, Board of Management, Vadidala, for the felicitation address.
Hari Om and pranams. Respected Chief Guest, Sri LGS Khalil. Respected President, Sri Dr. Leela Ramamurthy. Respected Principal, Vice Principal, teachers, parents, and my dear young children. See, when I was hearing the annual report of our academic coordinator for kindergarten, the second letter of education, that is D for discipline, that struck me, because that is the most difficult thing also in these days. There are a lot of debate going on. See, quite recently, of course, I know you all know that the canes are banned in schools and at homes also to a certain extent. And now there was a recent High Court order telling that if it is necessary, it can be used. Because it's a fact, you know, in most of the homes, the parents are afraid of children. To be frank, you know. So that kind of thoughts, it should be there. We should debate and discuss and decide what to do, how to do, and when to do. Best wishes for their future journey. And I also thank and congratulate teachers, the staff who have toiled their efforts for the last 2 years to bring them up to this level. Hari Om. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The most awaited moment. Yes, it's time we acknowledge the talents of our brimming buddies. Without much ado, it's time to present our adorable graduates. As each child's name is called, let's cheer and applaud their accomplishments. The students will now receive their prize degree as symbol of accomplishment. May I request our Honorable Chief Guest and Leela Ma'am to adorn the convocation attire.
Abhinandanam, Abhinandanam, Dikshanta-kale, Abhinandanam, Udyamena hi vardhate yashah, Guru karmatvam sarvada nadah, Udyamena hi vardhate yashah, Guru karmatvam sarvada nadah, Swasti vasada शोभने पति प्रार्थयामहे ईश्वरं प्रति स्वस्ति वसदा शोभने पति प्रार्थयामहे ईश्वरं प्रति अभिनन्दनम् अभिनन्दनम् दीक्षान्तकाले अभिनन्दनम् अभिनन्दनम् अभिनन्दनं दीक्षान्तकाले अभिनन्दनं दीक्षान्तकाले अभिनन्दनं दीक्षान्तकाले अभिनन्दनम्.
We now heard the convocation song written by Swami Tejomayanandaji, our Gurudev's disciple. Now, we request Sir to hand over the certificate to our kinder graduates.
Om Shrim Hrim Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Shrim Hrim Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Shrim नमः। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं सरस्वत्यै 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 नमः। ॐ श्रीं सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं 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 सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं 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 सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ Shrim Hrim Saraswatyai Namaha.
Thank you all. It's my pleasure to invite Leela ma'am and our principal ma'am to hand over the memento to our chief guest as a token of love and respect. Now I request Leela ma'am to honor Sri K.S. Vijay Kumar, Trustee, CMECT GC and President, Board of Management, Vadodara.
Let me now invite our Vice Principal, Mrs. Sujitra C., to propose the vote of thanks.
Hari Om. Good afternoon to everyone gathered here. Honorable Chief Guest of the Day, esteemed Madam President of Board of Management, Dr. Mrs. Leela Ramamurthy, esteemed Trustee Sri Vijay Kumar Sir, dear parents, teachers, staff and our little stars. Today is a momentous day, our KG convocation. It's a day to rejoice, to showcase our talents and to cherish the memories we have made together. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to Sri Algiers Khalid sir for spending his valuable time with us and making this event a memorable one. We honored you with a Ponnada for the community service that you've extended to the society all these years. Thank you, sir. I place on record a sincere gratitude to Madam President for her benign presence. Thank you, ma'am. Sincere thanks to Sri Vijay Kumar Sir for gracing the occasion. Thank you, sir. Thanks to all the parents for your unwavering support, encouragement, and trustfulness. Your presence here today means the world to us. Thank you all. Our gratitude to our teachers for the dedication, hard work, and passion. You have helped shape our little ones into confident, curious, and creative individuals. And our staff for the tireless efforts behind the scenes. Your contributions have made this event a resounding success. And most importantly, to our KG students for being an absolute delight to teach, guide, and watch grow. Your energy, enthusiasm, and smiles have made this year an unforgettable journey. Thank you to everyone who has made this convocation possible. Your collective efforts have created a truly special and memorable experience for all of us. Let's cherish the memories we have made today and look forward to many more exciting adventures together. Thank you once again and congratulations to our KG graduates. Thank you. Hari Om.
Thank you, ma'am. With this, we come to the end of this function. Thank you once again. Hari Om.